These aren't your average truck cabs. We're talking about sleeper rigs so gigantic and luxurious, they look more like mini apartments on wheels than work trucks. From full-size kitchens and bathrooms to custom-built living spaces that rival luxury RVs, some of the rigs on this list are shockingly big and insanely expensive. Get ready to see the 15 largest and most outrageous sleeper cabs ever built. And trust me, some of these will make you rethink what home on the road really means. Peterbilt 579 ARI Sleeper. The Peterbilt 579 with an ARI Sleeper blends modern aerodynamic efficiency and genuine livability into one truck that feels more like a home than a cab. Built on Peterbilt's fuel-saving Class 8579 platform, with up to 605 horsepower and torques over 2,000 pound-feet, the ARI Custom Sleeper expands living space dramatically beyond the stock Ultra Loft. Inside, you'll find plenty of headroom, generous storage, and room for appliances like a microwave and TV, plus advanced sound abatement and independent HVAC systems for real comfort on the road. It's a thoughtful mix of practical specs and living space luxury that makes long hauls genuinely easier. Kenworth W900L 2024 with 156-inch ARI Sleeper. The 2024 Kenworth W900L with a 156-inch ARI Sleeper is the ultimate home on wheels for long-haul life, blending timeless Kenworth style with serious livability. Built on Kenworth's legendary long-nose platform, this rig often pairs a Cummins X15 power plant with a manual 18-speed transmission for a classic driving experience. The massive ARI Legacy Sleeper transforms the back into a functional living space, complete with dinette, solid surface countertops, microwave, induction cooktop, refrigerator, and even a smart entertainment setup with UHD TV, truly rivaling an RV interior. With air ride comfort and thoughtful lighting and storage, it's engineered for real life on the road. Volvo VNL Expedition Truck, Bolt Custom Trucks build. The Volvo VNL Expedition by Bolt Custom Trucks turns a long-haul classic into a true home on wheels. Built on Volvo's reliable VNL platform, the fully integrated 150-inch sleeper combines aerodynamic efficiency with serious living space, including a shower and toilet, refrigerator/freezer, microwave, TV/DVD, sink, and cooktop for real day-to-day comfort. Inside feels more like an upscale RV than a truck cab, with thoughtful insulation and layout for multi-day travel. The build leverages Volvo's strong long-haul chassis and Bolt's custom interior craftsmanship to create a sleeper that's both functional and surprisingly luxurious, ideal for drivers who truly live on the road. Kenworth T680 Long-Haul Sleeper. The Kenworth T680 Long-Haul Sleeper blends modern comfort and smart design into a truck that feels tailor-made for life on the road. Its spacious sleeper, available in 76-inch high roof, mid-roof, or lighter 52-inch configurations, offers ample headroom, abundant storage, and thoughtful amenities like a rotating table, swivel TV mount, LED lighting, and optional flat-screen setup. The cab's wide interior, panoramic visibility, and premium seating reduce fatigue on long stretches, while the aerodynamic body and Packard MX-13 powertrain boost fuel efficiency and performance. Every detail feels built around driver comfort and practicality for long hauls. Peterbilt 389 777 Custom Sleeper. The Peterbilt 389 777 Custom Sleeper is a stunning fusion of classic American truck heritage and true long-haul livability. Based on Peterbilt's iconic 389 platform, known for powerful engines up to approximately 605 horsepower and torque beyond 2,000 pound-feet, robust aluminum cab, and traditional styling. This custom sleeper build takes comfort to a new level. The extended ARI-style sleeper delivers generous headroom, abundant storage, and space for essentials like a bed, microwave, and entertainment, making it feel more like a cozy road home than a typical truck cab. With polished chrome and bespoke details, it's as much a showpiece as it is a practical rig. Freightliner Cascadia with 126 inches custom bolt sleeper. The Freightliner Cascadia 126 with a custom bolt sleeper takes an already solid long-haul platform and turns the back into a surprisingly comfortable mini home. Built on the Cascadia's efficient 126-inch BBC chassis, capable of housing robust Detroit or Cummins engines with up to approximately 600 horsepower and modern automated transmissions, this custom sleeper brings real livability to truck life. Inside, drivers enjoy typical Cascadia comfort features, like a spacious raised roof bunk area, with room for a fridge, microwave shelf, TV mount, and storage, while the Bolt integration can add kitchen-style amenities, shower, and entertainment options for true on-the-road convenience. The result is a practical, yet surprisingly cozy space perfect for extended trips. Peterbilt Yellow Custom Mega Sleeper, 200+ inch. The custom Peterbilt Yellow Mega Sleeper is the kind of rig that stops people in their tracks. Bold, bright, and massive, with a sleeper section stretching well beyond ordinary sizes seen on the road. While exact factory specs for this specific custom build aren't published online, mega sleepers like this are typically built on extended ultra-cab platforms and feature spacious interiors with living areas, kitchen space, storage, and comfort upgrades rivaling luxury RVs. These gigantic cabins transform the truck into a real long-haul home, perfect for drivers who spend weeks on the road and want maximum space and convenience wherever they stop. Cascadia A custom sleeper. The Freightliner Cascadia A custom sleeper transforms an already comfortable long-haul cab into a truly livable space for life on the road. Based on the Cascadia's durable Class 8 platform, with Detroit DD13/DD15 engines, and up to approximately 525 horsepower with smooth automated transmissions, this custom AA Sleeper build expands the factory cab into a spacious living area with real upgrades like a full-sized bed dinette, multiple storage cabinets, refrigerator space, microwave shelf, and optional entertainment setup. The elevated roof and ergonomic interior make it feel more like a cozy apartment than a traditional truck sleeper, perfect for long hauls. Kenworth W990 with extended ARI legacy sleeper. The Kenworth W990 with an extended ARI. Legacy Sleeper turns Kenworth's modern long hood into a real long-haul lifestyle truck. Built on the rugged W990 platform with PACCAR MX-13 power and smooth automated gearing, this combo pairs classic presence with contemporary comfort. The extended ARI Legacy Sleeper adds significant living space with high-grade insulation, solid interior walls, and provisions for kitchen appliances, storage, and wet bath amenities. Essentially a compact road home. Premium features like air ride suspension keep the ride smooth, while large insulated windows and thoughtful lighting make the sleeper feel open and livable. It's a standout choice for drivers who spend real time on the road. Freightliner Cascadia 32-foot custom sleeper residence. The Freightliner Cascadia 32-foot custom sleeper residence takes the already capable Cascadia platform and pushes it into real mobile home territory. Built on a Class 8 Cascadia chassis, which in stock form offers up to around 600 horsepower and generous torque it with Detroit or Cummins power plants, these custom conversions expand the cab into a full-blown living space well beyond factory dimensions. Inside, owners often include residential-style kitchens, full wet baths with showers, expansive storage, entertainment systems, and dedicated sleeping areas that feel more like a tiny house than a truck. The result is a rolling residence designed for drivers who want comfort and convenience on the road, blending rugged performance with true home-like amenities. Volvo VNL with 240 inches ARI Legacy Super Sleeper. The Volvo VNL with a 240-inch ARI Legacy Super Sleeper is a once-in-a-lifetime rig that blurs the line between a luxury motorhome and a long-haul truck. Built by ARI Legacy Sleepers on a Volvo VNL platform, this custom 240-inch cabin packs a full-size residential kitchen, dining area, bedroom with entertainment setup, and a wet bath, all wrapped in bespoke wood cabinetry and elegant finishes that turn travel into comfort living. With a massive 378-inch wheelbase and polished exterior, the space feels open, functional, and surprisingly refined. Perfect for drivers who demand true home-on-wheels living. Peterbilt 567 with 220 inches extended sleeper. The Peterbilt 567 with a 220-inch extended sleeper takes comfort and long-haul livability to an entirely new level. While Peterbilt's 567 line normally offers spacious ultraloft and large bunk options, including best-in-class headroom, expansive storage, room for a full-size microwave, and space for a 32-inch TV, this extended custom build stretches that comfort even further, turning the back into a genuine home on wheels. Powered by robust diesel options and featuring modern ergonomic design throughout the cab, the extended sleeper adds massive interior volume for real living space. Perfect for drivers who spend weeks away from home. Volvo VNL Legacy with 180 inches. ARI Legacy Sleeper. The Volvo VNL Legacy with a 180-inch ARI Legacy Sleeper perfectly blends Volvo's trusted long-haul chassis with premium custom living space that feels more like an RV than a truck. Built on a robust VNL platform, this custom setup often includes a 500 horsepower D13 engine and an I-Shift 12-speed transmission for confident highway performance. The sprawling 180-inch sleeper delivers real home-style comfort. From generous storage and his and hers closets to a flip-down 32-inch TV and extra water tanks for extended stays. Inside, you'll find thoughtful amenities like a dinette/bed combo, full kitchen area, and plenty of cabinetry and lighting that make long trips cozy, functional, and downright luxurious. Kenworth T680 with 180 inches ARI Legacy Sleeper conversion. The Kenworth T680 with a custom 180-inch ARI Legacy Sleeper conversion transforms a modern, fuel-efficient long-haul truck into a surprisingly spacious and livable mobile home. Built on a T680 chassis, this custom ARI build stretches the traditional sleeper immensely, adding room for real living comforts like a dinette/bed combo, kitchen counter space, storage cabinets, and optional shower installations that are usually only found in top-tier custom rigs. ARI's craftsmanship includes premium materials, thoughtful lighting, and insulated walls that make the space feel cozy and functional, ideal for drivers who spend weeks on the road with real home conveniences. Peterbilt 389 Legacy or Custom. The Peterbilt 389, especially in its legacy or custom sleeper builds, is a symbol of classic American trucking with serious comfort for the road ahead. Built on a traditional long-hood Class 8 platform with engines up to 605 horsepower and about 2,050 pound-feet of torque, it pairs powerful performance with premium living space options. Factory sleeper sizes range up to 78 inches Ultra Cab, with plenty of storage, microwave and fridge space, and room for a TV, while custom builds push that even further. Peterbilt's ergonomic cab and quality interior materials make long hauls feel cozy and capable, all while preserving timeless truck heritage.